One of the most delicious sauces for desserts, a raspberry coulis. Let's do it. The first step in making this delicious sauce, we're gonna need a lemon. So here today I'm just taking off some nice slices of the lemon, but you can just juice it straight into a bowl if you wish. Once you have some lovely lemon slices, you need a blender and also some lovely fresh raspberries. Pop your raspberries straight into the blender, and the next ingredient we're going to need is some caster sugar. Start by going in with 2 or 3 teaspoons of your caster sugar, and also go in with the juice of about 1/4 of your lemon. Pop your lid on the blender and give it a blitz for a minute or two. So very quickly, if you can give the video a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. Once it's blended up and you have a sauce, pop the lid off and give it a quick taste. You may want to add a little bit more caster sugar and maybe another squeeze of lemon to get it just as you would like. Pop the lid back on and blend it for another few minutes. Make sure you're patient and take your time to blend up the coulis. Once it's really blended up nicely, we want a bowl and a nice fine sieve. Pass the raspberry coulis through the sieve. This will remove all the seeds and any little bits in there. Move the mixture around with a spoon to pass through all of that delicious sauce, and then you just want to discard the seeds, and there you have a beautiful fresh raspberry coulis, an amazing addition to any dessert. Goes particularly well with Greek yogurt, cheesecake or ice cream, but many other dishes. So get in the kitchen, get cooking and enjoy. I'll see you next time.